Welcome to Charts Today. My name's David Linton, and today's edition for Friday, the 22nd of January, comes to you from London. And quite a lot of red on the screen at the moment. So we're just seeing stock markets, this middle section here, mostly down today. So that's my first glance at the market. Looking at the currencies first, this is the dollar index, my weekly, my daily, and my 60-minute view of the market. Dollar has weakened significantly the tail end of this week. It was looking better at the start of the week, but we've really come back away. So the long-term trend is still dominating there, and that means that the euro is at 121.68 for the week, so looking stronger. Taking a look at sterling, we're sitting at 136.65. We were above that 137 level yesterday, but still holding on to the bull trend there. That dollar just holding steadier for more. Against the euro, we're sitting at 112.28. We were at 113 yesterday, so we have pulled back. Probably just hitting some resistance around these levels longer term, but still the trend is up. So we're bullish on the short term, just on the medium term we are. On the long term we still have work to do. Bitcoin had a pretty tough day yesterday, fell very dramatically, putting us into negative territory. Most of all, activating these downside targets to around $24,000. So no big surprise there. Now that we've activated those targets, the price is starting to fall quite heavily. The S&P 500 index was just slightly up, and the Nasdaq much the same. We're holding on to the gains that we've seen this week. The Dow was up. The defensive stocks still playing through there. Looking at the futures today, we're down about 0.5% on the S&P future and 0.5% on the Nasdaq E-mini. And most of all, we're seeing the VIX volatility up 5%. So just a little bit of uncertainty creeping into markets there. The FTSE future down 0.5%, and the DAX in Germany down 0.5% as well. So we are just seeing that carrying through. The CAC Quarante down 0.2%, not yet making a new high. The DAX is, the CAC just struggling, noticing the lagging line hitting resistance there on the cloud. Japanese market is down 0.1%, and the Hang Seng we see here is down 1.6%. In Shanghai, we're seeing the composite just flattening here, and we are still long term on that breakout, so we're down about 0.4%. And the Indian market, the Sensex, was down over 1%. So we're just seeing potentially a doji there on the weekly candle this week. And the Aussie market was down 0.33% as well. Taking a look at gold, we're down 0.5%. So we're seeing here that on the short term we're looking bullish, but we are down today, but we're just holding that short-term bull trend. If we can activate that target, we've got a target to 1994, nudging back towards that 2000 level. And of course we've got these longer-term targets to 2000. If we make new highs, we've got this target all the way to 3000, so that will be very significant for gold. Silver sitting 1.75% down, but holding the short-term bull trend, and US 10-year yields are sitting at 1.1%. Taking a look at the energy mix now, we've got Brent crude down 1.3%. Our call for Brent this week was flat. As it happens, we're slightly up. We were at about 55, and we're just above 55, so not feeling too bad about that call to clients. WTI down 1.45%. US nat gas, we're actually bearish, and that's showing through on the chart, just a steady decline there. Downside targets to 240, 237, 230, so we are seeing nat gas falling. Looking at emissions, we're down this morning, sitting at 33.74, so we are hitting cloud resistance there on the short-term chart. The key thing is now with emissions, will we go lower than this 31 level, or will we go higher than 35? We're in this range, that's what we've got to watch. Gas prices looking stronger this morning. We've got MBP up 5%, TTF up 6%, so that's looking better as well. And if we look at German power, we are down 0.2% at €50.80, just holding on there, looking very similar to that emissions chart, of course. And Nordic power up 2%, so we are just seeing it holding on there as well. That's it for today. Until Monday, have a great weekend. See you then. Happy charting. Bye for now.